Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at something called toString method. Now let's see how to use that one. First I'm gonna go and create some private variables. Private integer month, and then private integer day, and then private integer year. Okay, now we have created three private variables, and then I'm going to create a public class, public method, public, and then our class name is cup, so I'm going to put the name right here, same name right here, and then integer m for month, integer d for day, and then integer y for year. Okay, now inside of this one we are going to equate those things. Month is equal to m, and day is equal to d, and then year is equal to y. Okay, now let's go ahead and put the system.out statement. System.out.printf. Here I'm going to give a statement. The constructor for this is percentage s. That's going to be a string going to print out, and then for the new line I put a \n. Okay, now how to call a string? What we have to do is, here instead of percentage s, we have to reference the object called this. That's gonna automatically point, like by default it's gonna point to a string. Now I put this is an object. Now if I go and create a string, it's gonna point toward that string by default. Now let's go ahead and create the toString method. That's why we create a toString method, so it will just go and do the whatever the toString method asks them to do. Okay, now go to create a new method called public string, and then toString, and inside of this method we are going to type something. Inside of this method I'm going to put return string dot format, and then I'm going to give the day, year, like day, month, year format. So to do the format, I put the quad. Inside of this quad I'm going to put the format. For the digits we put %d, so %d for the digits, and then percentage, I should type percentage. Okay, %d small %d %d. Now we have day, month, year format. Now here we are going to refer the month, day, year, month, day, year. Okay, now we are done with this one. Okay, now what's going to happen is, this is our print statement. It's going to print all these things. The constructor for this is percentages. What is percentages? It's going to look at the object we have referred, and it's going to go to the string by default, and it's going to look the month, date, year. Okay, month, day, year. Now to call this one, I use another class I created, boy. In this one I create the object. Since the class I'm dealing with cup, I'm going to create the object now, and named cup is cup object that's equal to new cup. And here what we are going to decide what's going to be the day, what's going to be the month, and what's going to be the year. I put 4 for the day, 4 for the month, and 5 for the day, and then 6 for the year. Now if I go and run this one, you can see it printing, it's displaying the constructor for this is 4, 5, 6. That's what you want. That's the useful thing about toString method. And in my next tutorial, I'm gonna go towards something that is more explanatory. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys in my next video.